This segment brought to you by Kansas Regenerative Medicine. Your stem cells, your health, your life.
Gretchen Sassenrath at the Southeast Research and Extension Center in Parsons, Kansas. I've been in Kansas about 2.5 years, and I started looking at soil health and how to improve soil health. Soil is an important factor to improve the resilience of crop production. And by resilience, I mean being able to make a profit when times are good and also not lose your shirt when times are bad. We can't control the weather, but we can improve soil, in particular soil health, and that's an important component for consistent crop production. In looking at soil health factors, there's a lot of information about how cover crops can be used to improve soil health. And I came across some interesting research on particular cover crops in the mustard family. The trait of these cover crops is that they have a high glucosinolate concentration. That glucosinolate it improves soil health, but it can also be used to control soil-borne diseases and pests, in particular charcoal rot, nematodes, those sort of infestations. So what we're doing in this study is using some of this mustard cover crop to see if it will control charcoal rot. In southeast Kansas, we have a lot of charcoal rot pressure. It's always present in the soil. During particular years, depending on the weather, we'll have a lot of charcoal rot infestation and pressure in the plants, and it reduces yield. Charcoal rot infests the stem of the plant and reduces the water that it can uptake and reduces the yield. The roots will actually just rot of the soybean plant, and there's nothing there. They can't take up the nutrients and water they need to grow. So what we did in this study, we planted the cover crop and used it as a biological control and compared that to the standard chemical control of charcoal rot as seed treatment and then also in-season treatment. The results are very preliminary. This is our first year of study. Also, this was a very good year weather-wise for soybean. We had a lot of rain and cooler temperatures, so there was not a lot of charcoal rot pressure this year in our soybeans. So we did not see a yield difference for the different treatments or for the different cultivars. However, we did see a difference in number of colony-forming units or number of charcoal rot infestation fungi present between the different treatments. And then also we saw a difference for some of the cultivars. This indicates that the mustard seed does show promise as controlling charcoal rot, and also that some soybean cultivars are more sensitive to charcoal rot than others.
Through the generosity of Dr. Eva Gardner and Dr. Dan Thompson, Kansans now have the opportunity to support the wildfire relief effort by purchasing a signed and numbered print of the original painting, A Walk Through Henry's Dreams, by Dr. Gardner. This gallery quality print is only $200. Order your print today online or call 785-273-5115. Please help support the Kansas Livestock Foundation Wildfire Relief Fund.